So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to select multiple layers here in Alight Motion. So as you can tell, I only have one layer right here, but if I were to go ahead and add some more layers, just like this, I'm going to go ahead and add some more here. So I'm going to go ahead and just, keep adding layers. How about I add one more, just like this? So once I have my layers selected, right, I have my three layers right here. If you wanted to, instead of just pressing on each one individually, if you wanted to highlight all three, go to the left side to where there's the eyeball and the layer. Hold down one of them. So go ahead and hold down one of them. Then just drag it all down to where it says three layers selected. So once it's all green right here, it actually indicates that all three layers are selected. And at the top here, you can go ahead and do a bunch of stuff here. So if you wanted to maybe delete all three, you can press delete right here. All three will be deleted. Once again, you can hold down, slide down, select all three, do what you got to do this way in regards to editing. So if you wanted to go ahead and do it, do what you got to do, you can put them all on top of each other. This looks good. Go ahead, play, and proceed just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to select multiple layers in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.